Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So you all have seen this Instagram new update, Friends and Reels. So how to disable this so that no one can see what you are liking or commenting in a Instagram. So I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your Instagram application, click on the three line on the top right. Here you need to scroll down and you will see the option as activity in Friends tab. So here you have to select the option as no one and click on back. So now it's done. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.